After measuring, it says 9.39 centimeter. After finding its diameter, I'm gonna write it in its box, which is 9.39 centimeter. Hello everyone, my name is Tan Pavatai. I study in grade 6 from Kentridge International School. And today I'm gonna be showing this hands-on activity. It says to explore how the circumference and diameters of circles are related. 1. Use a string to go around each circle. Then, measure the length of the string. Correct to 1 decimal place. Record each circumference in the following. Down here it shows a box which tells us the circle, diameter, circumference, and C divided by D. There's 3 boxes, so that means there's gonna be 3 circles. I'm gonna be showing how to do circle A. I'm gonna be finding the circumference and diameter of circle A. Here we have our circle, and we're gonna be using this ruler to find its diameter. After measuring, it says 9.39 centimeter. After finding its diameter, I'm gonna write it in its box, which is 9.39 centimeter. Now, to find its circumference, it says use a string to go around each circle to measure the length. So we're gonna get our string and get our circle. Using the string, we're gonna go around it. Can someone help me? Marker. After measuring and going around it, we're gonna make a mark, and now we're gonna measure it using the same ruler we just used. We're gonna use the edge of the string, and we're gonna put it at the 0 centimeter, and at the end, it's 29.5. Now after finding it, its circumference is 29.5 centimeter. After doing this, it says C divided by D. C is the circumference while D is its diameter. And it's telling us to find the ratio of the circumference to its diameter. To do this, they tell us to take the circumference, which is 29.5, divided by 9.39. We're gonna use a calculator, and we're gonna take its circumference, which is 29.5, divided by its diameter, which is 9.39. Now we're gonna get its answer, which is 3.1416. But it told us to only correct to the first decimal place. So after dividing it, it's only gonna be 3.1 centimeter. Since there's 2 more spaces that we need to fill, I'm gonna like to ask him, to explain and to find the diameter and circumference of circle B. Please show me how. So what is the diameter of circle B?
The diameter for circle B, I got 13 centimeter.
What about its circumference?
Its circumference, I got 40.9 centimeters.
Now to find its ratio of the circumference to its diameter, we're going to take 40.9 over 13. And using a calculator, we're going to take 40.9 divided by its diameter, which is 13, and get the answer 3.14. But again, it told us to only correct to the first decimal place, 3.1 centimeter.
Oh, you made a mistake, a small mistake.
How?
This is not supposed to be centimeter. It is a constant value, so you have to erase the centimeter.
Oh, okay. Now, there's one last circle, which I'm gonna label C. And to find its diameter and circumference, I'm gonna ask one of my friends. Hey Tika, what's the diameter of circle C?
So after I measured with my ruler and my string, the diameter I got is 15 centimeter and the circumference I got is 40
centimeter. What about circumference?
The circumference I got was 47.2 centimeters.
47.2 centimeter. Now I'm going to do the same thing and take 47.2 divided by 15. And again, we're going to use a calculator. 47.2 divided by 15, which equals to 3.14 and other numbers. But we're only going to take the first decimal place, so it's going to be 3.1. After filling all these blank spots, we're going to answer question number 2. What do you notice about the answer for C over D? For C over D, each of the circumference and diameter of each circle are different, but it resulted in the same answers, which is 3.1. So we can write that. So the ratio of the circumference to its diameter is the same for all circles. Now, for question 3, I'm gonna give my friend this opportunity to answer it. Here you go.
Hello, my name is Konbanyawat. I'm gonna do this problem right here. Number 3. It says use your calculator to display the value of pi. Give the value of pi correct to the following number of decimal. For me, I want to show you guys how to find the value of pi on a calculator. We click shift, the button on the bottom that has pi on top of it, click that, we'll get pi, click shift equals. We'll get this number, but we want it as the first decimal place first, so it's 3.1. Now 2 decimal places, we will get 3.14. Now I'm gonna give my chance to Sika to do her problem.
Hello everyone, my name is Sika, and for me, I also want something to show you. I'm going to show you of how the value of the ratio of circumference to its diameter is equal to the value of pi. So based in question 1 and question 3, we can see that the answer is all 3.1, and for question 3, we can also see that the answer is 3.1. So then we can conclude that circumference to its diameter and pi is the same. So we can conclude that C over diameter equals to 2 pi, which is 3.14. And the symbol pi is denoted by the Greek letter, which is read as pi. So pi equals to 3.14. And it also equals to 22 over 7, found by mathematician. Thank you everyone, goodbye.